Let's take a closer look at an Etsy seller who's making a splash selling printable planners, each priced at around $1,100. Despite not being a top-rated seller, she's got over 1,000 customer reviews and even threw in a 70% discount, making her products $358 each. What's interesting is that she's making around 500 daily, sometimes even more. Can you achieve similar success? Absolutely. And AI, specifically ChatGPT, is here to make it easier. Gone are the days of needing to be an expert in a particular niche. AI, like ChatGPT, does the heavy lifting, saving you time and energy while boosting productivity and income. ChatGPT becomes your know-it-all partner, helping you conquer the online game, elevate your business, and create memorable customer experiences. It's the brainiac you need to succeed. In this video, we'll explore the power of AI, focusing on OpenAI's ChatGPT and how it can help you generate over $500 daily. Get ready to dive into the digital world and discover opportunities to make money online, even if you're a beginner. When selling digital products on Etsy, the key is to offer items people are eager to buy. Rather than relying on complex methods, a straightforward approach using Etsy's search bar can be effective. First, have a clear idea of what you want to create. ChatGPT can assist by providing digital product ideas like printable wall art, digital planner templates, and more. These ideas are waiting to be turned into profitable ventures. Choosing a niche is crucial, and the video suggests exploring the self-improvement niche, focusing on health, wealth, and relationships. Now, it's time to hit up Etsy and check what's working. Search for keywords like self-improvement planner and analyze the products. Ensure they have enough reviews and are consistently receiving new feedback. This indicates their success. Now gather insights from customer reviews to create a unique product that stands out. For example, let's say you decide to create a one-page habit tracker bundled with 2 additional pages. With the concept ready, it's time to bring it to life using ChatGPT and Canva. ChatGPT provides a detailed layout, and Canva helps in the design process. Remember not to copy, but to use ChatGPT's suggestions as a starting point. Create consistent designs to avoid criticism. Now, let's talk about setting up your Etsy shop. Enhance your shop profile with a banner and a picture of yourself. In the listings section, add a new product. Upload the images you created on Canva. Create a keyword-rich title and specify the product category. Set the renewal option to automatic. Ensure the product type is digital, and add more details about your product. You can even use ChatGPT to generate a description. Don't forget to add tags related to your product. Set a low starting price, like $5, and gradually increase it based on sales. The video envisions selling 20 products at $15 to $20 each, potentially earning $300 to $400 daily. It emphasizes that top-rated sellers on Etsy charge over $1,000 for a service. Selling on Etsy is portrayed as a great way to build a sustainable income stream, and uploading a PDF file with all the templates makes the process seamless. To conclude, if you found this video insightful or helpful in any, please like and share your thoughts in the comments. Also, please subscribe to the channel and activate notifications for more content. If you have ideas on making money with AI, it is encouraged to share, promising a keen exploration of suggested concepts. Thank you, and see you in the next video.